Well, each season there's a different baddie. So watch it at Cats of Tottenham at Cats of Tottenham on YouTube to find out. But in the newest season, well, the most recent season, he's called Z, and he's an evil tech billionaire from California.
For California.
Yeah,
Ah.
yeah.
But do they win?
Well, that would be telling, giving a spoiler. So watch it and find out. And you can watch it now.
Yay!